protect each one from injury, as victory we strive to gain. And if we somehow do get hurt, please deliver us from pain. Let us play well, but fairly. Let competition make us strong, but never hostile. Forbid us to rejoice in the adversity of others. See us not when we are cheered, but when we bend to help our opponent out. If we know victory, allow us to be happy. If we are denied, keep us from envy. Remind us that sports are just games. Help us to learn something that matters once the game is over. And if through athletics we set an example, let it be a good one, no matter who the winners will be. That all the teams be blessed. Amen.
Please remain standing as we sing the Lupang Hymn of our
Mga kababayan, ang pagbansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Ayun, ay, andun kayo. Parang na, ayun. Sige.
Our slogan, keep our promise, be Kapun! Yes, you voted for our opening remarks. Good morning, everyone. Magandang mga sa mga house. Thank you for joining today's Bible tournament. I appreciate Mr. Chairman for committee, Mr. Noel Vidal, and for committee member to organize this tournament. Thank you very much. I hope you will play with sportsmanship, not just to compete, but to have fun. So, the goal of this tournament today is to create great memories together. And please remember, stay safe. So let's enjoy volleyball and let's enjoy today. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. First of all, I would like to say thank you very much to everyone for your dedication, hard work, and commitment. Thank you very much. Every day you deliver and go to your customers, our customers, even though it's hot, cold, heavy rains, heavy wind. Thank you very much. Since I was assigned to the Philippines in 2023, I always look forward to this event to see everyone compete each other as representative of 50 centers. Also, of course, I cannot wait to see cheer dance competition. And today, you will be competing each other. But as Mr. Yoshida said, don't be too excited. Don't be too excited. Please have fun. Enjoy and have fun. Because as a family, we always have to be healthy. The competition has to be healthy, okay? And finally, as Mr. Yoshida also said, I would like to say thank you very much to the committee, especially Mr. Noel Vidal. Thank you very much. Once again, thank you very much. Let's enjoy all day today. Okay? Yaku?
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Kumusta po kayo? Salamat po at nandito po kayo lahat na nabigyan natin ng oras itong aktividades natin. Pagpasensya na lang po nila na ako ay magdadala. Sorry ka na, well, nasa kanila lahat, no? Pasalamat sila sa community. But to be honest with you, I think Chairman Noel did his best, and you can see ano ang magiging resulta natin today. Palapakan po natin ang community. Sa Noel, no? And aasahan natin sa susunod. Kasi sabi ko sa kanila, sa susunod, mag-isip kayo na kung paano na natin i-level up itong actividades. Okay? So, I would like first, of course, to congratulate each and every one of you. The book was able to achieve the highest sales record. And because of your contributions sa lahat ng mga kawalan ng ating mga activities, magpapasalamat po tayo sa inyong tira despite of, as mentioned, bagyo, ulan, baha, dinaranas po natin yan sa gilid ng araw. But here we are, we maintain ourselves delivering good health. With this, I would like to share all, I would like to say to everyone, congratulations in advance. The winner winner. Definitely everybody's going to be a winner. No? But of course, there will always be only one final champion. So with that, let's compete fairly, squarely, and congratulations to sa inyo lahat. Salamat po.
Everyone, please raise your hand. All votes for Rashi. On our honor, that meeting representative of our teams hereby make a solemn pledge to strive for clean and fair victory at all moments, to take defeat gloriously. With a fair victory is not possible. To give unflinching obedience to accept rules and conduct in sports. To do our utmost best for the furtherance of clean and wholesome sports organization. So help me God.
Thank you, Lisa. And now, officially declare the tournament open. Let's welcome the chairman of this year's volleyball tournament, Mr. Noel Vigor.
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, participants, and members of the whole family, good morning and welcome to the 2025 Yakult Ladies Volleyball Tournament. It is tremendous honor for me to stand before you today as we celebrate this remarkable event, where we come together to embrace the spirit of sportsmanship and community. In behalf of the Yakult Volleyball Committee, I extend my warmest greeting and deepest appreciation to all of you for being here.
We have reason too.
Region 3. Region 4. lot 15, we request all the youths.
Thank you.